Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and pasta salad enthusiast. A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is whipping up a no-mayo pasta salad you'll want at every barbecue.
I like using bow ties, but you could use any short shape. A 500-degree oven turns bell peppers into their best selves. Next, we're going to de-skin the nuts. All it takes is swirling them in a colander. Don't forget to save some pasta water. We're going to want it soon. A little steam helps the skins come right off. I could eat a million of these Castelvetrano olives. A lot of anchovies is the right amount of anchovies. Add olive oil and the pasta water until it's exactly how you like it. It's really good with chicken, steak, or fish, but it's also a great meal all on its own. And that's pasta salad in 5 ingredients. Let's eat!